Hi, this is Michael. Welcome to the Donchian Channel Forex Trading Traders Tips. Today we'll be talking about traders helping traders, and we'll review xsprofits.com. Please take a moment to review our disclaimer. The XS Profits website can be found at the letter X, the letter S, profits, Profits.com. With most businesses, there are a lot of secrets, proprietary techniques, and close-kept supply sources that the owners are unlikely to share. In the trading business, it's not uncommon to find just the opposite, especially among the retail investors, people like you and I. In most major cities, you'll find trading groups with people who are willing to share their hours and the dollars spent to help others learn the craft. Here in Southern California, there are 4 separate meetings under the guidance of one man, Brian Cox. He's created a website aimed at supporting traders. It's xsprofits.com, and it's free. Let's spend a few minutes looking at the resources of this website. On the left-hand side is the navigation menu. Item 1 is the list of user groups in the area. This list doesn't include all the meetings available, only the ones Brian is involved in setting up. There are 3 user groups: San Diego, Los Angeles, and the Orange County group. Of these meetings, the San Diego user group is said by many to be the best. The best pertains to how well the meeting is organized and the level of expertise in the group. The bottom line being the probability of you coming away from the 2.5-hour meeting with something you can use. Most of the traders in these groups are trading on Thinkorswim or TradeStation platforms, so much of the information presented targets those platforms. It's important to take this into account when choosing a trading group. Item 2 in the navigation bar is the presentations. Past presentations are saved on xsprofits.com, and we're going back 6 years. This is helpful for review of the information, and also there's downloadable Excel spreadsheets. That said, presentations at most meetings are done by individual members of the group, and they vary a lot in content and time spent on the presentation. It might have been a really good presentation during the meeting, but not recognizable from the PowerPoint presentation that was posted. So time spent reviewing saved presentations that you did not physically attend may not reveal the value of what was initially given. Item 3 under the navigation bar is exclusive XS Profits tools. Many of them are quite useful. The Excel sheets allow you to input your own information and produce calculations based upon those parameters. These tools were made with good intentions, but that doesn't mean they're error-free. Needless to say, when your money's at risk, it would be a good idea to double-check the calculations. Section number 4 is recommended books. Books are an important resource for any trader. It would be fair to say that just reading and studying a good book on trading can have as much value as a course costing several $100s. The book list spans the range from Candlestick and Pivot Point Trading Triggers by John Person, Option Volatility Pricing by Sheldon Natenberg, through Create Your Own Future by Brian Tracy, and Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by T. Harv Eker. Section 5 is on a topic many traders avoid, and that's about developing a business plan. Having a business plan goes hand in hand with having a trading plan. Trading is viewed by many as gambling, but when most people refer to gambling, they're referring to playing against the house. For casinos, gambling has made them wealthy. Following a business plan and a trading plan supports you in being on the house side of the trade. There's an old saying in business, fail to plan and you plan to fail. This is an extremely important topic for every successful trader, and for most traders, this is what has allowed them to be successful. Section 6 references tax information. It offers resources for the do-it-yourselfer and for professional assistants. This is not a comprehensive section on tax information for traders, rather just a few helpful sites and ideas. Section 7 contains ThinkScript strategies, studies, and resource information. ThinkScript is programming language used in the thinkorswim trading platform. Other links give actual ThinkScript, which can be copied and pasted into your thinkorswim platform. If you trade on a different platform such as TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, NinjaTrader, etc., this section will be of little or no value. And then there are several miscellaneous categories. Chart analysis terms is linked to stockcharts.com. These terms are coupled with charts that give great visuals for the patterns described. Stockcharts.com itself is an excellent resource, and it's packed with valuable information. Under miscellaneous items, there's a description of how to set up dual monitors for your computer. Option Planet classes. This is a section with PDFs covering basic information about trading options. Podcasts and webcasts. There's an interesting link called Marketplace Whiteboard, wherein a guy named Patty Hirsch gives short, simple, and entertaining explanations of such things as FHA, can you run a government like you run a business? Dividend recapitalization, the fiscal cliff. What does quantitative easing do to the economy? Sovereign bonds, and more. Strategies has miscellaneous information, including adjustments to iron condors. Also, Jeff Keeler's trading blog. This is a link to optionaddict.net. Has turtle trading rules and other information on bullish, bearish, and neutral strategies. The Turtle Trading Rules is a 37-page PDF that is worth noting. 10 trading mistakes. This is a deceptively simple list of what not to do in trading. Then we have Tuesday conference calls. These are links to recordings of past conference calls held with the group covering a variety of subjects. These calls ended, though, in December 13, 2011. And webinars. These are largely links to the Options Industry Council website videos. In conclusion, this attitude amongst traders of being willing to share their hard-earned knowledge for free is a great incentive to being involved in the business of trading. Be aware, though, it's not uncommon for beginning, intermediate, and even advanced traders to be looking for that holy grail, that which will give them absolute certainty in trading. This search for certainty in an uncertain market can lead one to go round and round in endless circles. If you get caught up in this trap, it's likely to cost you money in the market. To quote Mark Douglas from his book, Trading in the Zone, trading presents us with a fundamental paradox. How do we remain disciplined, focused, and confident in the face of constant uncertainty? He goes on to say that it's rare for developing traders to focus any attention or expend any effort to learn it. So, as wonderful as it may be to have access to free resources, put some attention on your motivation and the motivation of members of the group beyond generosity. Allow the psychology of trading to walk hand in hand with all you do in trading. Thank you for watching Traders Tips, Traders Helping Traders, and the review of xsprofits.com. Please post and share if you have any suggestions, comments, or any questions. If you would like to have more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.daunciantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. I've recently posted my new podcast on silver. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed below.